How to fix unsupported GPU in COD Warzone Mobile unable to launch error. So if you want to fix unsupported GPU in COD Warzone Mobile, then let's see if it's possible or not. So the possible fixes for COD Warzone Mobile is the first thing you need to do is update your software. So ensure you have the latest software update for both COD and Warzone Mobile and your phone's operating system. Outdated software can sometimes cause compatibility issues. So check your software and update your software. And once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then the second thing you need to do is restart your device. So simply press and hold your power button and just go and simply restart your device and your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the third fix is you need to go for the developer options and you need to turn on. So if you have not turned on your developer options, then let me show you. First open up your settings and scroll down and go for system. Under system, here you will have developer options, right? But if you have not turned on your developer options, or if you don't have the developer options, then you can go back and you can go for about phone, which is on the bottom. Scroll down, go for software information, and here you will have your build number, right? So simply tap on your build number for 7 to 8 times, and after that your developer mode will be turned on. So once you have the developer mode turned on, you can go back to your developer mode or the developer options, and here you will have the option of GPU. So if you have the option of GPU, you can go and fix your problem from your developer options. So once you've searched for GPU, here you will have your GPU options on 2 to 3 options, or here you can choose the other options or the bottom two options, anyone which you are comfortable with. And here you will have another option which is related to debug, and you can also adjust this option. So here you will have the GPU options, right? But even after doing that, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the next one is unsupported devices. So if your device falls below the minimum specifications, there's no guaranteed fix. You might have to wait for the developers to optimize the game for weaker hardware or use a different device. And the next and the last thing is third party fixes. So avoid methods that involve modifying game files or downloading unofficial app stores. These can be risky and might not work potentially, and it will just harm your device. These fixes doesn't work or the solution doesn't work, then consider contacting the Call of Duty Warzone Mobile's customer support for further assistance. They might have additional insights specific to your device or the game's current version. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.